Today, we're going to forge you the ultimate survival tool, the Minecraft sword. First things first, you're going to need a crafting table. If you forgot to craft one, let me refresh your memory. You make it by placing 4 wooden planks in a square in your crafting menu. Now, place the crafting table on the ground. Tap the interact button on it. To make a sword, you need to crafting ingredients: a stick and a material for the blade. The blade can be made of wood, cobblestone, iron, gold, or diamond. We'll start with a wooden sword. So let's make the stick. This is crafted using 2 wooden planks, one above the other, in the crafting menu. Now, with the stick, it's time to craft the sword. In the crafting table, place 2 wooden planks vertically at the top of the crafting grid, and the stick centered below. You'll get the wooden sword. Now that you have the sword, you can now use it to combat everything. Enjoy being better at Minecraft by enhancing both your survival and exploration. Congratulations! You've made your first Minecraft sword.